Hey guys, I'm Brandy from Eternal Harvest Home Decor. Welcome to my shop and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. I wanted to take a second to introduce myself and to also tell you what you can find here on my YouTube channel. I am a mom of 3, so I'm very real and open about that. You'll see my kids running around in videos and it's usually pretty messy in the background because I'm doing multiple things. But I quit my job as a professional mental health therapist about 4.5–5 years ago to be a stay-at-home mom. Throughout that process, I have started building furniture out of boredom, mostly, in my garage. But I kind of created a business accidentally throughout that process as well, which is something that I'm so happy about. I found a passion and I'm ecstatic. And throughout the last 5 years, I've learned a lot of tips and tricks about woodworking, home decor, and home reno, and that's what you can find here on my channel. I am always open to suggestions and I'm happy to answer any questions. If you guys have any, please drop it in a DM or in a comment and I will for sure get back to you as soon as I can or make a video to answer your question. So let me know. You can find me on other social platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I have a website too and I try to keep up on most of my social platforms as much as I can. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you stick around. I hope you hit that subscribe and like button. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks again. See you later.